Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning with prep class. I am BC, I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving question 36 to question 40 of the Aqua Vocational Studies Agricultural Science for the year 2017. Subscribe to our channel. Also make sure that you like and comment on this video to get more videos like this. Okay, so the first question in this video is question 36. And it says fingerlings refers to the young of dash. A. Duck. B. Rabbit. C. Fish. D. Turkey. So young or small fish is referred to as fingerling. So this means that fingerlings refer to the young of fish. Okay, so the correct option here is C. Fish. Fingerlings refer to the young of fish. Question 37. Dash is the establishment of forest in areas where there was none before. A. Deforestation. B. Afforestation. C. Selective exploration. D. Tundra system. So for us to be able to find the correct option, we need to find the meaning of each of these options. Okay, the first one is afforestation. What is afforestation? Afforestation is the establishment of a forest or stand of trees in an area where there was no previous tree cover. So in an area where there was no forest before or where there were no trees before, afforestation is the establishment of a forest or a stand of trees in such an area. Okay, so what about deforestation? Deforestation is the removal of a forest or stand of trees from a land and then converted to non-forest use. Okay, so what about selective exploration? Selective exploration is the process of cutting or harvesting only mature trees in a forest. So you are selectively cutting or harvesting a set of trees. So it is a way of concentrating certain selected species of timber in a forest reserve. Then the last one is tundra system. This is a system that involves the growing of both agricultural and forestry crops. So when you grow agricultural and forestry crops together, that is tundra system. Okay, so which of the following is the correct option? Dash is the establishment of forest in areas where there was none before. Remember, I told you that afforestation is the establishment of forest or a stand of trees in an area where there was none before. Okay, so the correct option here is afforestation. Afforestation is the establishment of forest in areas where there was none before. So the correct option here is B, afforestation. Question 38. Tundra system involves the combination of dash. A. Crop and animal husbandry. B. Forestry and animal husbandry. C. Crop husbandry and fish farming. D. Crop husbandry and forestry. So in the previous question, I explained what tundra system means or what tundra farming means. So tundra farming is a farming system that involves the growing of both agricultural and forestry crops. So this means that the answer is going to be crop husbandry and forestry. So crop husbandry, this is the growing of crops. Then forestry is the establishment of a forest or the growing of trees. Okay. So tundra farming involves the combination of crop husbandry and forestry. So the correct option here is D. Check. Question 39. Forest serves the following useful purposes except A. Forest trees increase soil fertility. B. Forest trees help to prevent soil erosion. C. Provides main transport for people who live in cities. D. Forest provides employment for variety of people. So how is forest useful to us? Let's look at it. So forest trees increase soil fertility. Do you know that forests create a habitat for microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi, and these organisms help in nitrogen fixation, which is a factor of soil fertility. Another thing does is nutrient uptake. So forest trees take up nutrients from the deeper part of the soil to the soil surface. So this is another way forest trees increase soil fertility. Another thing is that forest trees trap nutrients from the atmosphere. which drops on the soil, thereby increasing soil fertility. So another thing forestry does is to prevent soil erosion. So the roots of the tree help to hold the soil in place, thereby preventing soil erosion. So forest provides employment for variety of people. For example, the timber harvesters and processors, okay? But forest does not provide main transport for people who live in cities. So this is not a useful purpose of forest. So the correct option is C, provides main transport for people who live in cities. So forests serve following useful purposes such as increasing soil fertility, helping to prevent soil erosion, and providing employment for a variety of people. But forest does not provide main transport for people who live in cities. So the correct option here is C. Then the last question, question 40. The reward for capital is dash. A. Simple interest. B. Interest. C. Stock of assets. D. Purchase of farm inputs. Okay, so interest is the income earned by owners of capital resources. So this means that interest is the reward of capital as a factor of production. Interest is the income earned by owners of capital resources. So this means that the reward of capital is interest. So the answer is B, interest. The reward for capital is interest. So the correct option here is B, check. So that's the end for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this that would help you in preparation for your examinations. Don't forget to share with your friends as well. Till I come your way next time. Bye.